Good morning. I'm excited to be here. My name is Jorge Morales. I'm the Assistant Director of the Capital Delivery Group in Public Works. And why am I excited to be here? Well, first of all, today's the first meeting of the governance team for the Capital Delivery in Austin, Texas. We've never had this. As the City of Austin, we want to be the best managed city in the country. However, our largest expenditures are in capital delivery, and we've never had oversight over capital delivery. So thank you for your commitment. This morning, I'm going to give you an overview of my team, what we do. I'm also going to give you a little bit of the past challenges, where we're at and where we're going as a department. So first of all, once again, my team consists of 170 professionals. We have licensed engineers, registered architects, inspectors, and certified project managers. We have 5 divisions. We have the Architectural Project Management Division. They do the vertical construction, the facilities. We also have the Public Works Project Management Division. They do civil projects, which are horizontal, mostly water, wastewater, stormwater, street construction projects. We also have the Construction Management Division. They are the inspectors. They're the boots on the ground. They're the ones that work with the contractors, the consultants, to deliver quality projects for the City of Austin. Last but not least, we have the Engineering Services Division. These are 4 teams of design professionals that can design projects for the City of Austin from cradle to grave. Let me talk about the past challenges at the City of Austin. I came to the department 3.5 years ago. First thing I did is started meeting with stakeholders. I met with the client departments, the contractors, the consultants. What I heard from my clients is that we couldn't build projects on schedule and on budget. They were frustrated. There was no transparency. Once they turned over a project to Public Works, there was no ending date. Nobody knew. There was frustration to the point that a department said, we want to manage our projects because we don't think Public Works does a good job. They started pitching the idea of decentralizing project management. So let's talk about that briefly. In your handouts, you'll see centralized models where you have one organization that makes control and makes the decisions for project management. Decentralized would allow each department to have their own project delivery and do things the way they want to do. What I'm pitching today is that we do a hybrid. Let Public Works continue to be the provider of choice. We're going to provide services so we can help those departments deliver projects on time and on schedule. Customer service was the other thing I heard. There was lack of accountability. Issues were brought to our attention and we as a department ignored it. So what I want to share next is where we're at, what we've done in the time that I've been here. First of all, we restructured project management division. We split it up, like I said. We have vertical and horizontal. So we actually have a city architect leading projects that are managed by architects. And we have a civil engineer leading projects managed by civil engineers. We also updated our project manager's manual. This manual is based on the Project Management Institute, so we made sure it aligned with industry standards. We created dashboard reporting. We actually provide monthly reports to our client departments. I have a couple examples here. As you can see, for Q2, we're projected to exceed our goal of 80% spending plans. Also, we pride ourselves on keeping costs down by in-house project management. Our goal is 4%. Right now, we are projected under 3% cost of service for project management. Last but not least, this Thursday, a couple of days ago, we were reaccredited by the American Public Works Association. 150 agencies in the country are accredited. We were reaccredited, and we were given the highest marks that are given to a department. This was based on our policies and our practices that are established. So now I'm going to tell you where we want to go. The City of Austin is a very large organization. We have billions of dollars in capital delivery investments. Airport alone, in the next 5 years, we plan to invest $3 billion. We don't have an integrated project management system. We have systems that have been piecemealed over the years. We've been piloting various project systems, and so our goal in the future is to have an integrated system. This way we can use data to make informed decisions as we move forward. We're not measuring client satisfaction. As we move forward, we're going to measure client satisfaction so we can have standards that we can measure ourselves by. After action review, every project, we deliver 300 projects a year. We're not talking about how can we improve, so we'll be implementing after action review. The other thing we're going to reestablish is the Project Managers Academy. We put that to rest about 4 years ago. We're bringing it back. And not only going to educate our project managers, we're going to educate the project managers of other departments that are managing lower projects. Last but not least, we went through a restructuring. We actually started a strategic planning, and we're aligning ourselves with the city's new vision called Strategic Direction 23. So our city is ready to serve the department and make this the best managed capital delivery in the city of Austin. Thank you.